Last video we did Roman numerals to integers. Now I'm gonna do the integers to Roman numerals, which should just be, this was the last thumbnail chat came up with. I liked it. Let's go ahead and give that thumbs up, even though it's spelled integers wrong. That's cool, because I'm not the best speller either. Pop this in here and see what it comes up with.
Let's rewind a bit and retell this story with anime flair. Here we go. The Roman Cipher Quest, an anime saga. In a world where magic and ancient symbols dictated power, young Ray, a humble scholar, dreamed of mastering the forbidden art of Roman cipherology. This mystical skill allowed one to transform numbers into the ancient symbols that controlled the fate of kingdoms. One day, Ray discovered a crumbling scroll left behind by a long-lost cipher sage. On it was written a great challenge. Only those who can perfectly translate the sacred integers into Roman runes shall ascend to true mastery. Ray adjusted her glasses, pulled out her enchanted ink pen, and began decoding the integers with unwavering determination. Code solution, Ray's enchanted scroll. Java public class solution, public string int to Roman, int num. Roman numeral values and their symbols. Int values equal 1000, 900, 500, 400, 190, 50, 40, 10, 9, 5, 4, 1. String symbols equals M, CM, D, CD, C, XC, L, XL, X, V, I, V, I. String builder Roman numeral equals new string builder. The final Roman numeral, Ray's step-by-step magical conversion for in I equal to 0, I values.length a plus, while num equal values I, Roman numeral dot append symbols I. Add the corresponding symbol num equals values I. Subtract its value from the number. Return Roman numeral dot to string, Ray's final decoded Roman numeral. Explanation, Ray's magic guide. 1. The sacred pairs. Ray prepared a list of magical number symbol pairs like 1000 for M, 900 for CM. These pairs were listed in descending order, ensuring her magic worked flawlessly. 2. Rune weaving. For each pair, Ray repeated the symbol as many times as its value fit into the number. With every step, she subtracted the corresponding value, shrinking the number closer to 0. 3. The final glyph. When the number was fully broken down, Ray's scroll returned the complete Roman rune sequence. Test cases, Ray's trials. Input 1, numbers 3749, output, MMDCCXLIX.
Let's see how it comes up with the thumbnail. While it's working on thumbnails, go ahead and go up, copy this code. Dang, it has really slowed down. They really want me to buy that premium, huh? And throw in this code and see if it works. Go ahead and run that. It passed. Yes, all 3 cases passed. All right, cool. And again, like, if you use chat, so what? If you use these AIs, everybody's gonna be using it. It's like, can you do math? Yes, you can do math. Add up all the chains in your purse and your wallet. You can take out your handy dandy calculator or a phone. I mean, it's working smarter, not harder. And I do think you should do some of these things on your own. Work is a lot of times I don't use my calculator and I just use the old fashioned boom. Well, you know, this old fashioned way, just to keep the mind sharp, you know? So sometimes maybe you should do these codes on your own, and when you get stuck, then you can go to these AIs. The next question is going to be, submit that and look, length of last word. This one is easy. See you in the next one.